This video is a suggestion from St. Ignatius Elementary. I was asked, how do you compare fractions and ratios? Now, a ratio is just another way to write a fraction. So whether you use the numerator and denominator with a bar or whether you write it with a colon, same exact thing. They're called rational numbers because you can write them as a ratio of two integers. Now, you've probably already learned about cross products, but here's why they work. You can always multiply something by 1. That won't change the value. So, is 3/5 greater than or less than 4/7? We can multiply both sides by 1. Multiply 3/5 by 7/7, multiply 4/7 by 5/5. That gives us 21/35 versus 20/35. 21/35 is clearly greater. Likewise, we could multiply both sides by the same number. In this case, the common denominator, 7 times 5, 35. 2/5 is less than 3/7 because 35 times 2/5 is 14. 35 times 3/7 is 15. 14 is less than 15. Now, the other way to compare fractions, and this is the only way to compare a fraction to an irrational number, is by converting it to a decimal. I can turn 5/8 into 5 divided by 8. And working that out with long division, we get 8 into 50 is 6. So just put a decimal down, add a 0, move the decimal over. 8 into 20 is 2, 8 into 40 is 5, the decimal terminates 0.625. 6/11, the 11 into 60 is 55, 11 into 50 is 44, and now that we have a remainder that is the same as our original numerator, we know that the decimal is going to repeat at this point. For this very reason, any repeating decimal has to repeat in n-1 or fewer decimal places, with n being the denominator. That's all for today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments section. Thank you.